had a blizzard.
Crazy.
It was not as crazy as I expected, but the wind has been nuts, so we have some crazy cool drifts, and they're super big. Our front door, we won't be able to get out of. I mean, we probably could like step over it, but
yeah,
I don't want to do that. But look at our windows. They're completely covered in snow.
Yeah, insane. How does that even happen?
And this is Liam's first blizzard.
Woohoo!
Yay! But the wind is insanely cold. So we're staying inside, but Will is gonna show you
outside. Let's go check it out. Where's your couch at, Drew? Where's our couch?
It is on its way to Japan.
Yeah, it's a reasonable futon. We have absolutely nothing in this house. Super empty. That's okay. Love you.
Love you.
All right, so should we open up the front door?
Do it.
See what it looks like?
Yeah.
All right, first look. You can kind of see the snow piled up on the front of that window. Let's see what the first look looks like.
Fall in. Oh wow. Oh my god.
Wow, look at that. That is crazy. Yeah. Lots of snow there. Tommy, look. Hey, Tommy. What you doing, Toot Toot? Are you trying to get the presents a little early? Hey, big boy.
Those guys won't be getting out for a while.
Day 3 of the blizzard, and it is still coming down. It's blowing sideways. So cold, so much snow. Let's see what the front door looks like today. It's definitely gotten a lot bigger than yesterday. Crazy. Toot. What you think about the snow? What do you think about this snow? But our neighbors over there, that snow is halfway up the fence. Crazy.
Where you going, babe?
I'm gonna get the snow shovel that's out there.
Outside?
I'm pretty sure we still have it. I know one of them got put in that shipment, but
Hopefully we still have
I'm
one.
pretty sure I kept one.
It is still blowing like crazy up there. Are you
Ooh.
sure you want to shovel?
Yeah, I want to shovel the driveway a little bit.
Ooh. Burr.
Woo! I was right.
Nice. Here is the back.
This is crazy.
I'm shutting the door. It's cold. Wait, maybe don't walk in the house with your snowy shoes.
Look. Good as new. See?
Those are stomping and getting water everywhere.
You haven't seen the big snowdrift, have you?
No. Oh my Lanta. Oh my gosh.
Isn't that crazy?
That goes to my chest. Wow.
Yeah. So
How are you gonna shovel that?
well, I'm just gonna shovel right here so we can get out.
Oh, just for the car.
Yeah.
Okay. You have fun with that. I'm gonna go inside because it's cold.
Wait.
Do you wanna wear your big heavy coat?
I don't think so. All right. All right. Got all that done. Now we can drive out if we need to. It is so windy. Looks good though. It's a lot better now. Got the trash can unburied too. Shoes are a little snowy. That's okay. Better take them off so Drew doesn't get mad. There we go.
Was it pretty cold out there, honey?
It was a little chilly, just the wind, but not too bad.
Did you get a shovel?
Pretty good, yeah, I got most of it out, so we can definitely get the car out now, which is good.
Yes.
Katie, you want to go somewhere?
Well, I'm leaving the house tomorrow at like 4:30 in the morning.
Correct, flying to Texas, woohoo! Hopefully the flight doesn't get delayed.
Oh, I know, I hope so too.
Yeah.
We'll see.
See what happens. And Toot Toot over there. Hey, big boy. All right, babe, let's do it.
Hey.
Well, guess who won?
Mr. William. I only had one letter left.
You did, so she did pretty good.
And I have less words than him.
Yeah.
So that means
I don't
I
know.
did better.
Look at all those words there.
You have koi and yo. I don't know if those words.
Woohoo!
I have good words. I have vacuum, grazed, waxy,
You do have some pretty good words in there.
quilt, quo.
Our little blizzard.
Blizzard game day.
Blizzard game day. I've been off work for 3 days now because of the blizzard.
Yeah, and you're off work tomorrow.
Yeah.
He's off for 2 weeks total now.
Woohoo! Thanks to the blizzard.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Then we're going to Texas tomorrow, hopefully.
Yes.
Weather permitting.
So we're gonna go drive around the base just
Go
to
look at the
see
snow.
what it's like.
Yeah.
Should we go drive around?
You can go see the snow piles, big boy? Let's do it. We look at these snow drifts. Insane. God, snow. God, look at their yard.
Yeah.
It's crazy. This road up here runs left and right. That's where all the snow is at, because the wind has been just going straight down this way.
It's like east and
Whatever,
west.
yeah. I mean, look at this. This is insane.
Oh my gosh, I gotta take a picture for my dad.
Look at that. That is insane.
That's taller than you.
Yeah. And we think this is a lot of snow. I can't imagine we get to Masawa.
I know. It'll
The
be
snowiest place in the world.
Yeah.
More snow than this.
Yeah,
Crazy.
It's gonna be interesting for sure.
Yeah.
Well, they close all the roads in town.
Yeah.
Well, most of the roads because they couldn't keep up with all the drifts. The wind is just crazy.
Yeah. I'll follow those tracks so you get stuck. And this camera is not picking up what's actually out there. It just did
No.
not do justice.
No. If only we could record with our eyeballs.
Yes.
But,
But it is crazy.
oh my gosh, look at this one. This is crazy.
Crazy. And Liam is missing all the excitement.
He's sweeping.
He's sweeping back there.
Look at that crazy guy. I don't know if you can see me. But he looks like a crazy person.
So it's actually day 4 now
Yes.
of the blizzard.
Of the blizzard. It keeps getting extended.
Yes.
It was supposed to end yesterday at 5 a.m. Then it got extended to today at noon, but then it got extended to today at 5 p.m.
Yeah, it's crazy out there. I walked around and huge snow piles all over the place.
Yeah, it's wild how
Yeah.
how bad it is where we live.
Yeah.
Our neighbors behind us, the drift is almost
over the fence line, which is insane.
So we could not leave to go to Texas.
Unfortunately, because of all the snow.
Yeah,
We tried to make it out this morning, but
we
couldn't do it.
Yeah, we couldn't get off
outside the neighborhood.
Yeah, because of the drifts, they were so bad. And we didn't want to get stuck with Liam.
At 4 in the morning.
Yeah.
So
we drove back home and we were able to thankfully switch our flights. American Airlines was...
They were super nice.
Amazing. The guy was super nice and switched it for us. So we're leaving on Tuesday now.
Yes. So.
The 20th, I think?
I think so.
So.
Off to Texas on Tuesday. And that was the crazy blizzard we had.
And this is a snowdrift behind me. It's
insane.
all dirty from the wind.
Yeah.
But now it's 50 degrees and we're out walking.
Yes.
With these huge snowdrifts. So.
It's crazy.
So wild.
Crazy winter storm, but hey, what can you do?
Yep. It was fun.
Until next time.